So this is how I get off-grid water without a well. So right now I'm at the firehouse. Basically, I put a tote on the back of a trailer. I walk up that hill and I put money into that machine. I get about 250 gallons for $3. Comes down this pipe, out of the fire hose, into the IBC. So this will be full at 250 gallons. And we got a little ways to go. Oh yeah, it's about 20 degrees today, and hauling water's fun. So $3 didn't cut it, so I came up here and put another 50 cents in. 50 cents should be good. You'll hear it cut off here in a second. I think it just did. There it is. And when you don't have a well and you're off grid 100%, this is what you do for water. I'll show you how I get it out of the tank and into the cistern. Usually I take the dogs with me, but this time I've gotten stuck 3 times already this morning. 4-wheel drive, it's just very icy. So I left them at home where it's warm. All right, now we're gonna pull out and see how this goes. Looks like we got it. Well, I got stuck again, but that's okay, because pretty close, so I'll make it work. I'm still stuck. That's okay. It's all ice. So I made a little chute to go in off of some extra PVC, taking off the lid so it can vent, and open the funnel, and then the valve. Open the valve, water's running. I'm on a hill, so it's a little more than 250 gallons. So that'll be about 450 I put in there. By the way, I'm using all proper venting and flow methods. So I got this elbow, which I found. This one was already connected that I took out, or clean out. Going on here, but it's working. A little board for support. I don't think it's touching. It's not. And then another vent. Make sure water's flowing. Notice the direction. Might. There's something else going on here. And that goes in too. Oh, hey, look, Lisa. Thinking of you. Alright, this is number 3. This one got closer, so pretty easy connection. Getting it done. Water's flowing. Beautiful. Now I just wait in the sunshine until it's done. And I'll do rinse and repeat 3 more times, maybe 4. Thanks for joining me.